the activity or this experiment, we want to find the percentage of oxygen in the air. How can we do that? What we do, we get the two glass syringes, combustion tube, copper wire, a source of heat. Now this is the arrangement of the apparatus. We are having glass syringe A and B connected to a combustion tube having the copper wire in the middle. Now what is in the middle is, we see that it is the combustion tube. Inside it is a copper wire. Now that combustion tube is connected to syringe A, which is having air of volume 100 cubic centimeter, and we are calling it syringe A. Then we are also having another syringe which we are calling syringe B. Now after connecting those two syringes to the combustion tube, which is having copper wire, we start heating the combustion tube, which is having the copper wire. As you start heating the combustion tube, now pushing the air which is in syringe A. That air will pass through the copper turnings or the copper wire to syringe B. Now when air enters syringe B, push it back to syringe A and continue doing that as copper turning is burning. So remember that air is having oxygen which supports burning and will react with copper. So after some time, we find that the copper turnings which are brown will turn black, which means that they have turned to copper to oxide. Now continue pushing air from A to B, from B to A, until all the copper turnings or the copper wire have turned black. Now when you see that, stop heating, stop the heat source, and then push all the air in one syringe, for example from syringe B to syringe A. You find that the amount of air which has remained has reduced. This means that part of that air has been used to burn copper turnings.